Hello everyone, I'm Jesse Munson with Munson Boats, and I'm proud to show you our latest creation. It's a 36-foot fire rescue boat for Cherry Point Fire, and it is equipped for EMS as well as oil spill response. I'm really excited to show you guys, so let's come on board. So I'm here with Justin Lagerway. He's our QA manager at Munson Boats. Justin, can you tell us what we've got going on up here on the front deck?
Yeah, Jesse, like you said, this is kind of a dual-purpose vessel built for our client here. We've got a TFT Monsoon 2000 GPM monitor up here on the port bow. The starboard bow has this 1.5-inch gated Y, and up on the roof we have a master stream monitor, also built by TFT. The bow door is rated for 2,000 pounds suspended, 4,000 pounds with the leading edge on the beach. The door is 84 inches wide, and it comes equipped with these stainless steel pins to lock the door so it doesn't get inadvertently opened while underway.
One of our clients' primary responsibilities with this boat is also oil spill response. Tell us a little bit more about this system we've got going on here, Justin.
So yeah, we've got a 1,000-pound davit outfitted with this 5-inch kinematics capstan. It's hydraulically driven from a Northern Lights 12-kilowatt generator that's got a PTO-driven hydraulic Vickers pump on it. We also have these 2 additional ports to run skimmers, pumps, or other oil recovery systems.
The boat is also outfitted with 26-inch wide boarding doors on the port and starboard sides, a very popular option on many Munson boats. Fire boats need to have a good lighting package. These are IMTRA offshore series LED floodlights. There's 8 of these on the vessel. We've got a nice aft cockpit with lots of storage, and we've got a tow post, an engine guard, and a nice full width swim step behind the transom. The large walk-through cabin has got plenty of space for lots of passengers. With this 4-person settee, the table can convert down to create a bunk for transporting injured patients. We've got overhead grab rails for lots of places to hold on to, a microwave, and a full head compartment. This boat is powered by a pair of Yamaha 425 horsepower outboards, providing a 42-mile-an-hour top speed at 18,000 pounds. It's very impressive. It's also got some other special features. Tell us more, Justin.
Yeah, these Yamahas come equipped with the Helmmaster system. The Helmmaster system includes the joystick piloting, also dynamic positioning, and autopilot system. The boat is equipped with a 12-volt side power bow thruster, Volvo Interceptor trim tabs, and also this tilt helm. Over here at the co-pilot seat, you have this Pump Boss fire pump control station. You have this remote control for the rooftop master stream monitor. You have an indicator for the rooftop monitor and a primer to prime the fire pump before operating. The vessel is also equipped with an M-Series FLIR infrared camera. The camera is networked into the MFBs. It can be controlled from the co-pilot position and viewed from the pilot seat. The fire pump is located in this aft compartment. The fire pump that's installed on this vessel is an RSD 1500 GPM built by Hale. It's coupled to this 6.2 liter Kodiak gas engine. The whole assembly was provided by Kim Equipment.